Hello everyone, welcome to MTH 1010. My name is Elizabeth Legault, but please feel free to call me Liza. I'm an adjunct math instructor for the General Education Department for the Art Institute of Pittsburgh Online Division. I just wanted to go over a few things to help you be successful. In Brightspace, you will find the announcements. And where you can locate these announcements is on your home page at the bottom, you will see the word announcements. You can click right on this, or you can scroll down and read through them all. But it's probably easier to click on the announcements, and then it will lead you to the announcements page. The next thing you should do is read your academic expectations. You can find these again on your home page. Right when you log in, at the bottom right-hand corner, you'll see resources, and you will click on academic, and here is your academic expectations. Here also is your course syllabus, so you should be reading that and printing that out next. If you have questions for me, you can find this on your home page, and then you can click on Learner and Questions for the Professor. You can also go to your learning path and then click on Questions for the Professor on the left-hand side under that. This class is a self-paced class, but there are due dates under Start Here and then under Readings and Assignments to help keep you on track. I would suggest that you go by these and, keep up with the pace of the course. That way you'll be successful in passing the course on time. This also is where all your weeks are. First day of class, you'll hit Start Here, and then you'll move on to week 1. And then during week 2, you'll click here, week 3, and so on. In the beginning of the class, you should always introduce yourself. My autobiography is there, so please feel free to read about me. You can find this under week 1, and then just going all the way down to here's your week 1 instructions. Read those first, and then you'll click on your week 1 assignment 1 introductions. When you're ready to do your homework, this will be found under week 1. You can get started. Here's your week 1 assignment 1 instructions, your week 2 instructions, and so on. This is all the work that's going to be done in the math lab. If you want to maximize your homework scores in my math lab, please make sure you're using all your resources on the right-hand side of the problem. So when you log into my math lab and then you start working on the problems, on the right, you will have the Help Me Solve the Problem tab, the View the Example tab, and all the other great resources over here. Here is my instructor information. My phone is updated, so please make sure to check out my new phone number. And that's it. I'm excited to work with all of you. Let's get started.